Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to file self-employment tax return online only way. Start by collecting your Form 1099, bank records, and expense receipts. Then calculate net profit and determine if Schedule SE applies. Next, choose an IRS e-file provider or approved tax software and create an account. Enter income, claim deductions, review the calculated self-employment tax, and submit electronically with estimate. Log into your chosen e-file service and begin a new tax return for self-employment income, then accurately enter each Form 1099 and any cash income. Carefully input deductible expenses like home office, supplies, and mileage. Let the software compute net earnings and self-employment tax on Schedule SE. Review every line for accuracy, attach required forms, and choose direct debit or credit card for any tax due. Double-check that all 1099 and cash payments are reported to avoid IRS matching issues. Remember to deduct 1/2 of your self-employment tax as an adjustment on Form 1040 to lower taxable income. Set up estimated quarterly payments if your projected tax due will exceed 000 to prevent penalties. Keep detailed receipts and logs for at least 3 years in case of audit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.